Shiba Inu coin holders, welcome back to the channel. This is such a strange time right now in the markets. It's been very, very boring. There's not been a lot happening. There are not a lot of things to really address and talk about. Prices have been relatively flat. Things are kind of trending sideways. Nobody's really doing much of anything. But in this video, we do have some interesting things to share with you guys. There's been recent news that a huge, I don't want to say company, but government-owned Shiba Inu coin. I don't know if you guys saw this. We'll dive into it, see if there's something to this. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about prices. We'll talk about the overall market, the sentiment where we are. I feel like we're getting close to having some type of altcoin pump. I don't know if it's going to be a full-fledged altcoin season, but we are well overdue for an altcoin pump, to say the least. Things have been relatively boring, and we know this about crypto. Things don't stay boring forever. Eventually, there's excitement, there's fireworks, there's something going to happen at some point here, and I think it's coming very, very soon. If you guys are interested in Margex, check out that right there. Links down below to Margex. Margex is the top leverage trading platform. Big affiliate of mine, big partner of mine. Links down below to Margex if you're interested in trading on leverage. They've got everything you need, up to 100x leverage with some of the top cryptos out there. You can even follow the best of the best, and they get a little bit of your profits. But hey, you get to win with the best traders in the game. Links to Margex down below. So let's get into some interesting stuff here. I want to start with this story right here, guys. And this was a definitely wholly blank moment when I read this. And there's a lot of those that we're going to highlight here in this video. So, guys, check this out. U.S. government holds billions of Shiba Inu, and there are some details around this. So, apparently, the U.S. government holds a substantial amount of SHIB. That's what's being reported by the Crypto Basic. Shiba Inu has continued to gain widespread popularity, attracting the interest of retail and institutional clients. U.S. governments are said to be holding some SHIB. This is very fascinating. Now, they have a blockchain wallet. According to data from Arkham Intelligence, the U.S. government holds right around 55 billion SHIB tokens. Now, notably, the blockchain wallet affiliated with the U.S. government holds more than 100 digital assets worth $12.43 billion at the time of this writing. Out of the total crypto holdings in the wallet, only Shiba Inu has amassed a quantity in the billions. Now, a lot of that obviously just due to price and all of that. But with a unit of SHIB currently trading at that 1329 level, it's valued right now at $729,000. This positions Shiba Inu as the 19th biggest token by dollar value in that wallet owned by the United States government. Now, Bitcoin is the most valuable asset in that wallet, currently worth $12 billion. While SHIB's current value may appear modest compared to Bitcoin's, some enthusiasts speculate the U.S. government might be waiting for a potential price increase before deciding to sell. Based on its holding of over 54 billion SHIB tokens, the U.S. government is considered a whale whose actions might significantly impact SHIB's price action. Should the government decide to offload its SHIB holding, it could trigger a bearish impact on the asset. All in all, it is definitely a whale there, but I mean, there would be a lot of people buying up that dip too. Now, in the meantime, the U.S. government has not announced any plans to sell this Shiba Inu. Nonetheless, a similar scenario occurred recently when Germany's government embarked on a selling spree. They were forced to do so, though. Whatever the rules and regulations were in that particular place in Germany, they were forced to sell their assets. They had to. Okay, dumping over $2 billion worth of Bitcoin recently. It led to a big collapse of Bitcoin down to 53,000, but we saw Bitcoin ETFs inflows heat back up, push the price back up to 70K. And then we had another sell-off to 49K, and we had another big bounce back up to 60. Right now, the overall market pretty flat here across the board, guys. Not much going on, but this is interesting nonetheless. I was taking a look at the price of XRP, but we'll bounce over to SHIB here. SHIB did have a big pop here in the last 30 minutes. But all in all, guys, it has been relatively slow and flat for the price of SHIB and overall for these markets at large. If we go into the last hour here, Nice little resurgence here in the last hour and a half or something like that for SHIB. But when we zoom out, guys, we're still very much on a downtrend when it comes to the price of SHIB. Okay. Still a falling knife right now. Good time to dollar cost average, but eventually things are going to reverse field, right? We're still just waiting for that breakthrough moment. I want to come back to this here and talk a little bit about some of the things we're looking at with the price here. But real quick, couple plugs here. One little meme coin called Trump First Blood starting to reverse back up here a little bit. I do think some of these political meme coins have some legs. This is one that I like. Partnered up with them early on. Still a really, really tiny micro cap, 84K market cap. But who knows, right? Some of these could make a surge at some point as election stuff heats back up. So Trump First Blood, one to keep an eye on. And then this new launch today, the Player Identity Protocol. Now, this is not a meme coin. Xborg, building one of the largest player identity protocols to drive the evolution of online experiences, online gaming. This could be the next Beam, right? That burst into the top 100 in this gaming sector. And the gaming sector at large right now is very undervalued. Xborg, make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave the links down below. They're building the world's largest player identity protocol to drive the evolution of online experiences. They just launched today. Big sell-off from the pre-sellers right now. But again, this is literally day one, okay? This is basically the first day since we've been live. We'll see how this plays out. It's only sitting at a $1.93 million market cap. We're getting a sell-off right now from the pre-sellers, but it could be interesting to find some of the big players come back in and buy the dip. This is normal here when you see the big sell-off early. A lot of people got into the pre-sale. I did not. I'm being patient. I'm watching to see where the bottom falls out here, and I might buy on the open market. It is sitting at a $1.93 million market cap. I find it very interesting, very intriguing. They've got a nice little idea here, and definitely, launching today, you're getting in potentially very, very early. So check it out. Links down below to that if you're interested in that. Obviously not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Give it a look if you guys are interested in that. Coming back to SHIB though, this is all about dollar cost averaging and playing the long game. If you don't want to continue to buy the dip, you got to make SHIB part of your long-term plan here within this cycle, because we just haven't seen altcoin season yet, guys. We have not seen Ethereum do its big pop, its big thing. We're waiting for the retail money to come back. Patience is a virtue. In the meantime, I'm trading meme coins. I'm buying a little Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, just stacking my chips, being patient. Sitting on a cash position isn't a terrible thing, right? You don't have to deploy all your capital, right? But slowly but surely, buying assets at cheap prices, what's undervalued. Right now, SHIB at these 13 levels, we've been consolidating, as you guys can see now, for a while. 2 weeks. 2 weeks of sideways action. Things don't stay this boring for very long. Eventually, we're going to get some type of breakout here on the price of SHIB. We're still waiting for Ethereum to make its big push. When that happens, I think it'll open up the floodgates for the altcoin market to really make its move. But when it comes to Shiba Inu, we had a great conference out in Toronto. I thought we'd see a little bit more of a pump from the overall markets. We did not. That's okay. I still continue to hold a very, very long position that I opened up back in early 2021. I'm still doubled up on that current position, but I trade Shiba Inu in the short term, right? So if you guys are interested in that, obviously we've got XT Algo where you could set up your customized alerts. Listen, this is my company, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee for a little over $1 a day. Give it a shot. I think you're going to absolutely love it. I think it's going to help you make a lot more money in crypto more consistently. Links down below. I've got a tutorial that I walk you through when you sign up. I have step-by-step instructions how to take advantage of this tool that I've had built by the best of the best. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hang in there. I know it's an awkward time in the market. I know it kind of sucks right now, but just stay in the game, guys. Stay in the game. That's what I urge you to do. And stay focused on your plans. Stay focused on your goals here. And again, that major breakthrough moment, though, is this. Let me know your guys' thoughts on all of this. This is definitely a holy blank moment. U.S. government holding billions of Shiba Inu. Do you buy this? I mean, this is, again, Arcam Intelligence, legit. Okay? Legit source. Now, how was this accumulated? Most likely through confiscated Shiba Inu, right? We've seen some issues. Remember, WazirX had some issues. We've had some exchanges get hacked, some SHIB get hacked, and then the U.S. government and other governments can hold on to it. They have not sold it. They're holding it. And I think they know, like many other big whales, that SHIB's price will appreciate over time. It will come back. If the U.S. government didn't believe in SHIB, they would sell this right off. So this is a big moment. It showcases that, SHIB is here to stay. It is the top ERC20 token. When Ethereum starts to move, guys, SHIB will moon with it. That is my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about all of this down below. And hang in there, guys. Better days are ahead.